Energy, energy. No matter how them try to paint it, me I go down in the books as one of the greatest. Straight out of St. Kitts, I better you embrace it.
J.A.D. Squad.
Hey, what we are going to be doing is bathing the dog's skin.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah. This was by Aiden. You got to hold it behind. Come hold me. Hold it down, hold it down. Yeah, got toothpaste and toothbrush for it too. And they lick me and it's my effort, man.
Ooh, Melly's gonna get its skin bathed, y'all. Look. Get the scrubbing brush. Hold it down, hold it down. Huh?
Man, I'm taking on my shoes, boy. Alright, so watch me in the face now, boy. Welcome.
Fish. Fish.
Come, hold it, hold it. Come the dark out for me. Come that. Come here.
I step on the hose.
Bye.
Wait, take it away. Take it again. Take it again.
Bye. Ah, yuck. What? I got mouthwash for the flag, yeah?
The man say mouth smell like Donnell, wouldn't it?
Oh. Edit it out. Pull off a DVD. Edit it out. Edit, make sure you edit it out. Make sure you edit it out. What happened to the other hose by?
DDG. I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing. You know you a fan of me. I stout and my neck look like pee. You don't know me. Alright, nigga, we gonna see.
So what happened to this? Psych.
I tell you, hold it like this now.
The man don't draw next time? Yeah.
But me want to get wet, you know, no homo.
Hiya.
You can't send a homo for things like that.
The man, I got the hose in her hand, me want to get wet, no homo.
But you don't come hold it down.
Don't pay me, boy.
How you doing?
Hey.
It's a joke, boy.
Hey. I don't get this dog mix, boy.
Animal abuse.
Yeah, no, it's abuse when you're giving it things too.
No.
Trouble it, yeah?
Stop taking it from me. When you throw out on the dog head and
You better don't get comfortable here. Cause you turn next. Talking to you.
Donnell, come get it.
And now, as we let it go, it will shake off, so you need to scatter. On your mark, get set, get back! Next in line is...
Hey, what are you doing, my?
And next in line is...
Hey, come back.
Mr. Rusty.
Why, hey, big fluff.
Rusty, looking all rusty.
I think I was supposed to name Melly Rusty. Yeah? Taking a look rusty.
You need to name that joke there lame.
Oh. Hold it down.
You can't run for me and hit it. I can't hit nobody dog, boy. What is it?
Ain't holding nothing.
Can't hit you with the back of the face, yeah?
Wait there.
Give me the scrubber. Rusty's getting its skin bathed, ain't it? You know it?
Why the shrink to say it? Ain't gonna tell you don't what do you call up in the
Hey.
What make you say so?
I don't see it and you don't do it.
You don't have 5 minutes, yeah?
So Donnell,
Just saying no demand.
Donnell, what is 5 minutes?
Your teeth. Let them bubble around.
Really? 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 Really?
What's the accident, G?
Woo! Woo! Video!
Oh! She say, yeah, I have no knee press.
Ah, what shall we be a soap? Ah!
Stupid ass.
Ah!
Hey!
Hey, come back here. Come watch it out. Ah, me eat them bunny.
From the bird away, and here the sun goes down. The sunset.
Sight!
Aha!
This is a runaway. This is a runaway. So
Oh my god.
let's go.
Oh! That's it?
And the last one. Where is that?
No.
Tom Tom!
He get you. Yeah? I comment below if I like the new camera, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You won.
Woo!
You won too much. What you won for?
What this one here?
Hey, like your skin be any dirty sense.
If I did wash it out skin, I don't vex, you know. I just beat you and you gone in the doctor sit on my.
And that's it, guys. We're
That's
out.
it. That's it. Get them up. Get them up.